Hi and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the DOMS dust collector sharpener. So this is a pencil sharpener and I got this for INR 10 and I love the color, so that's why I decided to pick it up. So there were a lot of reasons why I wanted to get a dust collector one. One is because I use a lot of color pencils in my work and I need to constantly make sure that they are sharp, and when I use a regular sharpener which doesn't have a collector bin along with it, I have to have a dustbin near me and sometimes that's not very convenient. So when I saw this at the art store, I thought that this was a wonderful one, especially because of the price, because I've used other ones which are pretty expensive, and sometimes it's good to always have like a few disposable ones at your place. So let's unbox this and see how good it is. Sturdy packaging. So this is how it looks once it's out of the box, and I think it's very cute. It's got these curved edges, so it's very nice to hold as well. And it comes out on the top like this, so whatever you sharpen, this is a small sharpener, it's not a really big one. So this is very nice, I think, for pencils. We'll try it out on pencils and also with color pencils and see if it is good enough. So I've got a pencil over here. I'm going to just try, and you can see how it's getting collected. I'm just going to turn it over so you can see it being sharpened. So it has just the name of the brand over here and what it's for. So I'm sharpening. So it's got a super sharp point, really sharp, so that's very good. And this is the kind of point that I would prefer having in my color pencils, but maybe not this sharp, because if you're going to try and write with this something which is this sharp, the tip will break. So this is one color pencil. This is again from DOMS. It's a dual tip one, and one side is brown, one side is black. You can see it's blunt. I need to keep sharpening these, so let's try out this one. It's very handy to use. I like that. So it gives you a nice sharp edge. So don't go too much. I think once you try a few rounds, you should try to take your pencil out and see if it's sharp enough. Because if you go too much, like I did with the pencil in the beginning, I think it became a little too pointed. Oops. So this is either because of the sharpener, but mostly it's the lead. Let's try again. Hopefully it doesn't break this time. Yep, it's not. So this is a very common thing that happens. It happens a lot with color pencils. So this is a very sad part of having, making art with a lot of color pencils. So I really like this dust collector eraser. This is not eraser, I'm sorry, it's sharpener. I like that it is able to stand this way, and it has got like a nice starfish design, so it looks very pretty and I love the color. And because it's transparent, it helps you to know when it's full and you have to empty it, so that's a very good thing. And it's got like no sharp edges, so that way I think for kids it's really good. So my overall review or my feedback on this would be that it's really nice, and for the price that you get this for, I think it's perfect. So if you're looking to get a small dust collector sharpener, then this is perfect to start off with. Thank you for joining me for today's video. I will see you guys soon for the next one. Bye bye.